Good evening, everyone. Myself Gautam Sharma. I welcome you all in a Sapience Education. So today I'm going to discuss about the different type of energy losses in a transformer. Right? So there are several type of losses happens whenever we want to increase the voltage or decrease the voltage. So there is a several obstacle. Due to that obstacles, what happens? There is a loss in a transformer happens. Like eddy current heats up the coil. Energy is required to demagnetize and magnetize the core, so the coil is heated up and when the current flows through it. So many losses are there. So I will discuss all one by one. So let us discuss first of all, that is known as copper loss. What is copper loss? If the resistance of wire is more than their, see here, as we know that this is a transformer. This is a transformer, and we have a coil like this. So let us consider there is a coil, and through this coil what happened? This coil, there is a copper wire. Okay, so if the resistance of a wire is more, if resistance of the wire is more, then there definitely there is a loss of energy. Then there is loss of energy due to heat, right? Because when it will pass, so definitely heat is being generated. Next one is impure copper. So let us consider impure copper. Copper will also create a lots of will create lots of heat, due to which there is a loss of energy. There is loss of energy, right? There is a loss of energy, and this is known as copper loss, right? Now we will discuss about the iron loss. What is iron loss? As we know that the transformer is made up of several iron core. So these are the plates which is made up of iron, right? So iron, soft iron. So plates of transformer is made up of ferromagnetic material, right? Ferromagnetic material, magnetic material. As a result, what will happen? As a result, there will be regular magnetization as well as demagnetization will happen. But basically what happens, most of the metal, it will not 100% demagnetize, and hence hysteresis will happen. We have studied in hysteresis what happens like this. So if it will create a hysteresis loop like this, right? It means that there is a loss of energy because it won't get fully demagnetization. So this type of losses is also known as hysteresis loss. To avoid this type of loss, what should we do? To avoid this, we should use the material having less hysteresis loss, right? Now next, third is eddy current loss. As each and every plate is made of a material, so what happened due to magnetization and demagnetization? What happened? There is a current formation, which this current won't find any direction. So what will happen? Heat will get generated. Right? So eddy current will be formed. In this, what happens? Eddy currents, a metal body. So how should we write? In metal body, in metal body, current will be produced. Current will be produced. So due to which there is a loss of energy. There is loss of energy. Okay. So this is called, this is known as eddy current loss, right? Eddy current losses. I hope you have understood this, right? So to avoid this, we should use thin plate instead of thick metal. Next is a buzz or humming sound. As we have heard that, let us consider this is a transformer and there is so many coils like this. So many coils are there. There is so many coils like this. There is so many coils like this. So what will happen? It will vibrate. It will vibrate, which is undesirable, right? And due to which there is loss of energy. So to avoid, see here, to avoid this, we can use oil to avoid this vibration, this vibration, as it will also act as damping material, right? Damping material. Now one more function for this oil will also act as cooling system to avoid heating of the transformer. So I hope everything is now clear. So this is all about loss. So again I will revise this. So see here, uh, mainly energy losses due to the eddy current. See here, eddy, one more thing you can observe from the figure. So there is a formation of a current. So to avoid this, we will use so many different type of plates. Energy is required to magnetize and demagnetize the core. So copper losses, so the resistance of the wire is more, so loss will be more. Next is iron loss. It means that soft iron core material will either magnetize or demagnetize, due to which what will happen, there will be a hysteresis problem. To avoid this, we should use the material having a less hysteresis. Now eddy current loss. So when we use the metal plate, so what will happen, we need to observe that it will create a eddy current. So metallic plate, what will happen, it will produce a current, but this current won't go out. It means that this current will produce a heat, and due to this there is a loss of energy. So this is known as eddy current loss. after this buzz or humming sound, when we observe that there is a transformer, so it will always try to buzz or hum, like this sound will be outcome, but that sound is not of our use. But when sound is being created, it means that there is some loss of energy, because whenever energy will be given, then only it will create a sound. So it means that there is also loss of a sound. So to avoid this, it is being filled with the oil. So oil will act as a damping, so because it will observe the sound, humming sound, as well as it will also act as a cooling system for the transformer, because lots of heat is being generated due to the several factors. So this is the way to create avoid the losses in the transformer. Thank you for watching my video. So in next class we will go for a next topic, next chapter. Thank you.